Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. This video is about unboxing the Flipkart smartbuy tripod, which I bought from Flipkart and just for rupees 499. So let us unbox the tripod. So this is the box which I got from Flipkart. Let me just open the box. Let us see what is inside the box. So we are getting this cloth bag here, which can be used for carrying the tripod. And we also get a mobile phone mount with this, so we don't need to buy it from the market. So this is the tripod. Quality wise good, but not very good, because it is a little lightweight and aluminum built. So here we get many adjustments. So here you can see I'll be just showing all the adjustments here. You can just have a look at it and you can understand like how we can set up or how we can adjust the angles, and also we will get a level monitoring here, so that is also one good point. There are 3 levels of height adjustments. It can go up to 51 inches. I can say this is best suitable for mobiles, not for the cameras or DSLR. Overall, the tripod is worth for around 499 rupees, and you can use it for mobile phone usage. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing this channel.